after owning the new Z06 Corvette for literally 2 days, we are going to be tossing on a new mod for it. And it's going to be the first mod on the Z06. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to this channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, it helps me out so much, and welcome to the family. Let's just take a moment to admire how clean this thing is. For everyone that's new, this is my 2006 C6 Z06 Corvette that I bought off of a 63-year-old grandpa that has owned it all of his life. He literally bought this thing when it was brand spanking new and has kept it until now. And guess the amount of miles on it. This thing has, no joke, 9,000 original miles on it. That is super low and almost unheard of. So I think it's safe to say this thing was extremely taken care of and garaged all of its life. And I am beyond stoked to start building this thing. All right, I say we give this thing a little cold start. Oh yeah. A little underwhelming, but you could tell it's an American muscle for sure. Listen to this baby. That's the pure sound of a 7-liter V8 right there. I swear I can hear bald eagles flying through the exhaust. Let me ask you guys this. When you guys first get a car, what is your... I hate seatbelt chime, bro. Let me know if you guys know how to turn it off on the vet. But back to what I was saying. What is the first mod you guys always do to your car? I feel like there's only one valid answer to this question. Like, I feel like you can't put an exhaust on as the first mod because then the car's gonna be too loud and look too stock. So then it wouldn't be right. And you can't lower the car either because then you don't have a front lip or anything. You have stock wheels. It's gonna look a little goofy because the car's gonna mainly look stock and sound stock. So really, there's just one answer. And I think that one answer, the best first mod, should be window tints for your car. Because think about it, when you tint your car, it low-key changes the look of it a lot. And on top of that, it's not too dramatic to where it's too overwhelming. And that's exactly what we're doing today. We're gonna head over to Paddock Filmworks. They have been tinting all of my cars and they do an incredible job. So we're gonna bring the Corvette to them and do full tint on this thing. We're talking like full Batman Spec, front windshield, rear windshield, all the side windows. This thing is gonna look fucking crazy. And I've been thinking, since I first started coming to them, they're the ones that have always been tinting the windows the whole time. To be honest, I just sit there and watch. So I'm thinking about asking them to teach me and show me how to tint at least one of my windows, have me try it out just for fun. And if it turns out bad, then I'm hoping they'll just take it off and re-tint it themselves. This will just be a really fun thing for me to do, and I think you guys will enjoy it as well. So we might do that if they're down for it. But before we head over to Paddock, we're gonna stop by and get the best Chinese barbecue in town because I wanna make sure these guys are always taken care of and always have food to eat. So I told them, do not pack a lunch, I got it. So we gotta swing on by Cow in Chinatown and pick up some roasted pork and some roasted duck. I'm telling you guys, the key to everyone's heart is food. They're closed. God dang it. I did not think that Cow would be closed right now, but time for plan B. Let's go pick up some Chinese food for them. Can I order to go, please? Can I get beef chow fun, dry, honey walnut prawns, Mongolian beef, General Tso's chicken? Do you have like a vegetable dish, like green beans? Let's do green beans. That was Fortune Garden, by the way, one of the best Chinese restaurants here in Seattle. If you guys haven't been here yet, definitely should. Right there, Fortune Garden. They said the food's gonna take around 15 minutes, so we're gonna stop by Share Tea and grab some boba real quick. Oh shit, that was a bit explosive. Cheers. We love boba for breakfast. This is my first meal of the day right here. I left the house in a super big rush because I don't want to be late. Turns out I'm going to be late anyways. I hope they don't mind though because I'm bringing them food. This is actually hella good. This is peach kiwi tea with IU jelly and tapioca. If you guys go to Share Tea, I put you guys on. Package secured, boys. Oh yeah, the Corvette's gonna smell like straight food after this. All right, let's head over to Paddock Filmworks. I'll see you guys when I'm there. They got a Corvette chilling right there. Oh, and it's a Z06 as well. Dude, what? No way. I did not expect to see another C6 Z06. Dude, this thing is pretty clean. It got some big old tires in the back. This thing definitely puts down the power. Oh my God, these are actually huge. 325, 45, 17 slicks. I need these. And they still have this wide body Liberty Walk GTR right here. This thing is so freaking sick and baller. Look at it, man. Watch, one day I'll own an R35. I'll make it happen. And then take a look at this car that they had. I didn't even know this thing even existed. We have an E46 M3 wagon. Dude, this thing is so freaking sick. Is this a real M3? Because if this is a real M3, I might need to scratch this off of my bucket list. This thing looks so freaking sick. It has the wide body arches too. Oh my god, this is actually super clean. Let's go, Brody. Oh, wet ass hands.
Alright.
Let's go, brother.
Hands are wet too, bro.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm chilling. So apparently the Z06 that we just saw is for sale, and they want 60K for it. I got mine for 37.5, so let's do a little comparison. What year is this one?
06.
06? Oh,
Yeah.
that's the same year. Mine's also an 06. And you said he wanted 60K for this thing? Oh, it's still NA. My god. Dude, this thing is loud. Listen to it chop. Oh my god. All right, so it has cams. Built motor, I'm guessing?
Here's the whole spec sheet right there.
Oh god.
Spent on me.
Holy fuck. 30K on just the motor build. Okay, maybe I see why it's 60 now. Which one are you taking, bro? The $9,000
I don't know,
one
yeah.
or this
Honestly,
one?
I like clean.
It's like a clean slate to work
Yeah.
on. And this is the most common problem on all C6s. The headlights usually get broken down, and also the bottom lights are super hazy. Surprisingly, mine are crystal clear. And then if you look at the plastic trimming, like right here, you see how it's all gray and faded? Luckily, the plastic trimming on our C6 is completely brand new. Like, it looks like it hasn't even touched the sun. I think we got a solid deal. What you guys think? So the original plan was to go 15% tint all around and do 35 on the windshield. But I think RJ just convinced me to do full Batman Spec and do 5% all around and then 35 on the windshield. That way nobody can see me inside and out. What you think? Fuck it? Batman Spec?
Yeah.
All right, Batman Spec it is, I guess. All right, boys, first window is done. Now it's my turn. We're gonna switch roles.
All right.
You hold the camera, I got the tint. Oh, yeah? New hire here at the Paddock Films.
You're gonna need to tighten that bit.
There you go.
Yep.
Do I look official yet?
Yep. All right, you're hired, kinda.
Hey man, if you guys need tint, hit me up. Don't actually hit me up though. I definitely will fuck your car up. All right, what you think, bro? Out of 10?
It is solid for the first time.
Yeah.
Solid 7.5.
Oh, I'll take that. Oh hell no. Good luck, bro. We really got this big ass man in the trunk of this van. Bro, what are you doing?
I'm just trying to seal the edge, you know what I'm saying?
What the fuck? They really going above and beyond for real. I've never seen a tinter get inside a hatch and close the hatch to get the job done.
Hey, buddy.
Is it comfy in there, bro?
Yeah, you know, honestly, it's not that bad. It's really clean, really low miles, you know what I'm saying?
Dude, I'd be claustrophobic as fuck right now. We can shut the trunk and shut the doors and he won't even be able to open it.
Oh, bet.
Dude, this thing is completely pitch black. And then of course we have the side that I did, and then RJ went ahead and took care of the front windshield. This thing is gonna be pitch black once I close this door. Oh my fucking god. Dude, this might actually be the Batmobile itself. Look how blacked out this thing is. The windows actually look like it's freaking painted. Bro, how the hell am I supposed to drive it like this? Dude, what the hell? Now it's time for the real test. Let's see how the visibility is from the inside. Oh, dude, it's actually not that bad. Look at that. You could still see all around. This is 35% versus 5%. Not gonna lie, even though visibility isn't that great, this looks fucking badass. Look at that. Oh, it looks so freaking good. Huge shout out to the boys over at the Paddock Filmworks for putting in work on the vet and getting this thing tinted. I always take my cars to them, whether it's PPF or tint needs. They do an amazing job. They're literally the best in the business. If you guys are looking for tint or PPF in the Seattle area, hit them up and tell them I sent you and they'll hook it up. Hey, I appreciate you, big dog.
Got you, bro.
Especially you, bro. This man was in the trunk for no joke 6 hours trying to figure it out. Oh, it sounds mean in here. Holy fuck. Dude, this is hella dark. It is now the next morning. It got super dark last night, so I couldn't film anything. This car is pitch black during the nighttime. If you guys daily your cars, I wouldn't recommend going 5% all around and tinting the windshield. I probably would do like maybe like 15 or 20% and then 35 up front. 5 is just way too much. But look at how sick this thing looks during the day. Bro, this thing is full stealth mode. Look at it. You can't even see inside the window like at all. Back windows too. You can see a little bit in the front if like the sun is shining right on it. But bro, tell me that doesn't look super baller. But anyways, ever since I drove this thing back from Bend, Oregon, I drove 300 miles and it's absolutely filthy and I haven't washed it ever since I got it. So it's time to give this thing a much needed wash. Dude, the Corvette cleaned up so nice. Look at this. This wash was definitely much needed. I slapped on some tire shine too. I never put tire shines on my cars, but I figured for a muscle car, it'll look way better. And indeed it did. All right, let's go ahead and end this video off with some rollers. We're about to go shoot some rollers of the Corvette. Ever since I picked up the Corvette, I never got the chance to film rollers. So what better time than right after a fresh wash? So boys, cue the cinematics.
Yeah, legend status, ask about the name. I've been putting in work, collecting the fame. Up in the stat while they watching the 10 in the game. Either you in it or just a critic, man, we ain't the same. I'm focused on making this history. Into my top 5 list is listing me. I never got an L on pass, this ain't no breeze. I had to make the work outlast, the bill of steam is different degrees. And know I do this here with the ease, it never been easy. Slim, just keep one up the sleeve. I saw a few that had the passion succumb to the greed. But I keep forward here, the goal is near this song. It's more for ears that know what's still to come.
Bro, tell me those rollers were fire. Josh shot them and it literally looks like a scene out of Cars. Dub cameramans.
Dub.
Hey, if you guys blow up this channel, I might have to hire him
Hey.
as the cameraman.
We don't need this.
Okay, chill. This man was hanging out of the car the whole time filming that. Well, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Let me know what you guys think about our new Batmobile, and huge shout out to Paddock Films once again for hooking it up with the Corvette. They take care of all of my cars and they kill it on the job every single time. And like always, go down below, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.